In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla screen being blacked out in your Model 3, Model Y, or other Tesla models. A black or unresponsive touchscreen can be frustrating, but here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by checking if your car is powered on. Ensure the vehicle is in the on position or at least in accessory mode. If the screen remains black, try resetting it by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds. This will restart the touchscreen and control systems. Wait for the screen to reboot completely before testing its functionality. If the screen is still black, check your car's 12-volt battery, as a weak or failing 12-volt battery can cause issues with the touchscreen and other systems. Look for signs like dim lights, slow system responses, or error messages. If you suspect the 12-volt battery is the issue, contact Tesla service or replace the battery following the instructions in your owner's manual. Next, ensure there are no environmental factors affecting the screen, such as extreme temperatures. In cold weather, the screen may take longer to respond or may not turn on immediately. Use climate controls to warm up the car before attempting to reset the screen again. If none of these steps work, perform a full power cycle of your Tesla. Hold down both scroll wheels for 20 to 30 seconds until the car powers off completely, then release the buttons and allow the car to restart. Test the screen once the reboot is complete. Finally, if the screen remains black after all these steps, there may be a hardware issue with the touchscreen itself. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla screen blacked out issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.